Hello again. I hope you are doing great. So, welcome back on Staro Technology. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Pi Network's roadmap and development progress. Whether you're new to Pi or eager to learn about its future plans, this video is your roadmap to understanding why roadmap matters. Before we delve into Pi Network's roadmap, let's understand why it's crucial. Think of a roadmap as a game's strategy guide, outlining the game's future updates and features. It helps you see what's coming and what to expect in the future. Pi Network's roadmap. Pi Network has a clear roadmap that outlines its development plans. It's like a game's update schedule that tells you when to expect new levels, characters, and features. Pi Network's roadmap provides a glimpse into the future of the project. Imagine you're playing a game, and the developers release a roadmap showing that they'll introduce new features like multiplayer mode and additional quests in the next update. It's like Pi Network's roadmap, but for cryptocurrency. Development progress. The roadmap isn't just a wish list. Pi Network actively works on its development goals. This is like the game's developers actively working on new content and bug fixes to improve the gaming experience. Pi Network's progress ensures it's on track to achieve its goals. Think of Pi Network's development progress as the continuous updates and improvements you see in your favorite game. It shows that the project is moving forward. Upcoming features. Pi Network's roadmap often includes upcoming features and enhancements. This is like knowing that the game you love will soon have new characters, weapons, and challenges. Pi Network's upcoming features can add value and utility to the platform. Imagine you're excited about an upcoming game expansion that promises new levels, characters, and game mechanics. That's similar to anticipating Pi Network's upcoming features. Community involvement. Pi Network actively involves its community in the development process. It's like a game developer seeking feedback and suggestions from players to make the game better. The community's input can influence the direction of Pi Network. Think of Pi Network's community involvement as a game developer listening to player feedback and implementing changes based on what the players want. In summary, Pi Network's roadmap provides a glimpse into its development plans, just like a game's update schedule. The project actively works on achieving its goals, and upcoming features can bring added value. Community involvement ensures that the project aligns with users' needs. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency and Pi Network. If you have questions about Pi Network's roadmap and development progress or any other topics you'd like us to explore, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and may your understanding of Pi Network's roadmap guide your journey in the world of crypto.